This is our WordPress backend. Visitors cannot see it, but we can see it and we can change a lot of things of our website here in the backend. If we take a look at our front end, you can hold Ctrl or Command and click over here. This is the website that is live right now. And let's take a look. If you click on this blog post over here, you see Divi 2018, 2017, 08, 22, and then the title. I want to change that. How can I do that? I go to the backend, I go to settings and permalinks. And here you see Divi 2018 and you see the date and then you see the title. I don't want that. I want to keep it clean. So I check post name. And now if I save the changes and I go to the front end and I click on the logo. And now I go to the blog post. You see Divi and then the title. So that's really nice. What else can we do? Over here, you see Howdy 30 Corp. I want to edit my profile. And here you can choose the look and feel of your backend. I use default and I scroll down and I want to fill in my whole name. When I have written a blog post, so I go to the website and I scroll down and I click over here. It says written by 30 Corp. I want to change that to 30 Corpzoek. So I go to my profile again. My first name, 30. My last name, Corpzoek. And here display name publicity as 30 Corpzoek. So that's really nice. I update my profile. I close this for now. And if I refresh this, you see 30 Corpzoek. What else can we do? I can go to the backend again. Now I want to clean this up. How can I do that? First, I go to plugins. I scroll down. I select this area over here. It will select all the plugins. I click on bulk actions, deactivate and apply. Now they all will be deactivated. I select them again, bulk actions, and I delete them and I apply it. Yes, I'm sure. There they go. Now if I go to the dashboard, it looks cleaner already. I collapse all those. I click on the post and I remove this post. I click on trash. Then I click on trash over here and I click on delete permanently. I go to the dashboard and I collapse this. So now we have our domain name, web hosting, and we have installed and configured WordPress.